Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Kuromi skeleton. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the head. Let's start with a large curve across. And then curve it down and in on both sides. And a curve across to close off the bottom. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw a V shape down in the center. And then from the ends, let's curve it down. Now let's hop inside and let's add the face. Let's start with two angled lines for the eyes. And then a curve underneath. And color both of the eyes in black. Lastly, for the eyes, on the top corners, let's draw two eyelashes. Now that we're done the eyes, let's hop to the center and let's draw a sideways oval for the nose. And then a curve underneath for the mouth. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop up and let's draw the skull in the top section. Let's start with a line across. Then bring it up from both ends. Then let's add a curve on top and back down. Now let's hop inside the skull and let's draw two angled ovals for the eyes. And then two lines at the bottom. Next, we're going to hop out and let's draw the bones. On the top left corner, let's draw two angles out. And the same thing on the top right. And then underneath on both sides, we're going to draw angles going down. And then to close off each one, let's add two bumps. And that's it for the skull on the forehead. Next, let's move up and let's draw the ears. Let's draw an angle up on the top left and the top right. And then two more angles underneath. Now at the ends, let's angle it up, meeting at a point. And add a circle at the end of each ear. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Underneath the body on both sides, let's leave a gap and let's draw a curve down and bring it in. Now top back up and let's draw an angle down on both sides for the arms. And then a bump out and back in for the hands. Now let's move down and let's add the legs. Let's start with a line down on both sides. Then hop to the center and let's draw a V-shaped point up. Underneath in the center, let's draw a line down and curve it out, and the same on the right. And then a curve out from the outside line. And close off the bottom of each foot. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's move in and let's draw the bones. Let's start on top in the center and let's add 2 lines down and then 2 bumps underneath. Now hop down and let's draw 2 lines and then 2 bumps at the top and the same thing at the bottom. Now let's add a bone inside each leg in the same way. Now let's move back up and let's draw the ribs. Let's start with 2 curves at the top. And then another curve underneath to close it off. And now let's draw 2 more underneath in the same way. Lastly, let's hop out and let's draw the bones on the arms. Let's start with a long curve up and back down at the top of each arm. And then 2 bumps underneath. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now let's move out and let's add the tail. On the bottom right of the body, let's draw 2 curves going out and up. Then bring it out from both ends and a point to close off the end of the tail. And that's it for the body. Lastly, let's add the pumpkin in the left hand. Let's start with a curved rectangle shape on an angle. And then a curve up, overlapping the hand and back down. Now from the bottom corners, let's draw curves down and in for the shape of the pumpkin. And then 1 more bump at the bottom. Now let's hop in, and for the face, we'll start with 2 triangles at the top for the eyes. And then for the mouth, let's start with a line across in the center, 2 square shapes down, and then bring it out. And then finish off the mouth with a curve across underneath. And that's it for this Kuromi skeleton. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!